Welcome, English learners! In today's video, we're diving into the wonderful world of apostrophes. Learn how to use this tiny mark to show possession and create contractions. Let's dive in and explore how to use apostrophes in different situations with fun examples and a little exercise at the end. Apostrophe after a singular name or noun. When you want to show that something belongs to one person or thing, you add an apostrophe and an S to the end of the word. Example, my dog's bone. The bone belongs to the dog. Sarah's book. The book belongs to Sarah. Apostrophe after a plural name or noun ending in s. When a name or noun is plural and already ends in s, you just add an apostrophe after the s to show possession. Example: the cat's toys. The toys belongs to the cats. More than one cat. To Jonas's house. The house belongs to the Jones family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. Apostrophe after a plural name or noun that does not end in s. Some plural nouns do not end in s. For these words, you add an apostrophe and an s to show possession. Example: the children's playground. The playground belongs to the children. The man's jacket. The jacket belongs to the man. Apostrophe with time words. We also use apostrophes with time words to show that something belongs to a certain time period. Example: a day's work. The work of a day. A week's vacation. The vacation of a week. Apostrophe with plural time words. When using plural time words, add an apostrophe after the s. Example: 2 weeks notice. The notice of 2 weeks. 3 years experience. The experience of 3 years. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Common mistakes. Here are some common mistakes to watch out for. It's versus its. It shows possession. The cat licked its paw. It is a contraction for it is or it has. It's a sunny day. Your versus your. Your shows possession. Is this your hat? Your is a contraction for you are. You're going to love this movie. There, and there. There refers to a place. Put it over there. There shows possession. Their house is big. There is a contraction for they are. They're going to the park. Exercise. Let's see how well you've learned. Add apostrophes where needed. 1. The dog's ball is under the table. 2. I borrowed my friend's pencil. 3. The children's laughter filled the room. 4. She gave 2 weeks' notice before leaving her job. 5. It's going to rain today. You can pause the video and then check the answers. Let's check the answers. 1. The dog's ball is under the table. 2. I borrowed my friend's pencil. 3. The children's laughter filled the room. 4. She gave 2 weeks' notice before leaving her job. 5. It's going to rain today. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips, lessons, and resources to support your English learning journey. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.